All right. So, after the whole tire debacle, we're waiting for some tires to come in. And after putting the leveling kit in, I'm a little high. I only went up 2 inches in the front, and yet I'm still a little higher in the front than the rear. So I'm putting in a little 1-inch spring lift in the rear, so that when I load it up with the camper, I don't look like some kind of amateur hour with the back way down low. So I got some Bilstein 1-inch lift springs in the back. It's supposed to carry more weight, and then when the weight's on it, it brings it down to level. So we'll see how this goes. So basically here, these springs right here, we're gonna take out the factory springs and put in the Bilstein springs. So first, I think we're gonna jack this truck up. I got another little jack to go under the axle. So I'm gonna raise the axle, then raise the truck way up, and then let the axle down a little bit so I can get to the trailing arm, the shock mount, and this end link. And those are the 3 bolts we're going to have to take off to drop the axle down enough to get the springs out and hopefully get the new springs in. All right, so jack the truck up, let the axle down. Did a 7/8, I think, nut on the stabilizer bar there, a 5/8 on the end link, and I think 13/16 on the shock. And then we pulled the spring out. See if we can't get the new one in. All right, so we got this new spring in. Put the top hat from the old spring on. There's 2 holes. I just manhandled it from the bottom, lifted it up over the mount, and then I twisted it until it popped up into the corresponding holes up in the top, and the spring ends in the top hat where it should. I put the end link back on. I'm not gonna do this torsion bar thing yet. I'm not gonna put that bolt in yet. I put the shock bolt back in, and now I'm gonna take that end link off over there, drop this axle back down, and try to get this spring out on this side and get the new one in. All right, they are in. Just make sure you get the top hats on the springs to go in correctly. If you're looking through the tire this way at the spring, you're gonna want them. The 2 dimples are at like 130 and 530, something like that. And then get it up there. And then I torqued the track bar down to, I think this one is the spacer, so it's at 145 foot-pounds. I could be wrong with torque specs, so don't listen to me. Top end link, I think 63 foot-pounds. And the bottom shock, I think, is 103. So I'm gonna take it for a drive, see how she feels. She's definitely sitting a little higher now, which is wonderful, because before it was super, I think the front was like a little high, and now it's going to be nice when I get the 35s on it. So suspension is done. We got the Bilstein springs, we got the Bilstein 5160s, and then we got the KSP control arms with the Bilstein 6112s set at a clip 6, which is like 1.92 inches. Lifted mine up a little higher, but now it's gonna look nice when I get the Mickey Thompsons on here and the new rims, and I'll be able to tow and not have it look ridiculous. Should just be nice and level when we're towing the pop-up. Any questions? Ask away. All I gotta say is, wow. Talk about freaking nice. I don't even have an alignment done yet. And I got the, 2 to 4 inch lift control arms, the new Bilstein 6112s, the 5160s, and the springs in the back. And man, it just, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels so much more solid. No vibrations, no shaking, no noises. It just drives so freaking smooth. I just took it on the Route 9 around here and hit 80, and it's just like smooth fucking sailing, man. It's so nice. So custom offset should have the new 20-inch rims and the 35s in the next week or so. I'll get those on, get an alignment, and we'll be good to go, hopefully. I'm hoping the new Baja Bosses aren't too loud, too noisy. I don't think the 20s are gonna make the driving any less comfortable. That's what Fuel told me anyways. But we're gonna find out, and I'll let you guys know. Another one down. Yo.